Alright, I think I'm going to be done for the day. I don't have a whole lot of time this morning. I did want to get at this and try it out this morning because I was out of town last week after I adjusted the timing, double checked everything. So I think I will drain the fuel out of this and we'll double check that all the grub screws are Loctited down so that it stays in timing. And I'm gonna double check the governor, make sure it's not striking the side of the double check the governor here, make sure the balls aren't striking the side of the cylinder in here. But that'll require some close inspection to look for some damage there. Seems to be running okay. I'm gonna have to figure out something about the needle here, because just like the EM1, the needle's just so sensitive. And like I said, it was a cold morning, so I had to have it running pretty rich to get it warmed up, and then trying to lean it up while it warmed up is always a bit of a challenge, but it ran a little bit. I think the long run was 10 minutes or so, which is not bad. Hopefully with a tank of fuel it'll run about half an hour the same, or half an hour 45 minutes, just like the EM1, since the tanks are a similar size and they're both a 1.6 cc engine. And hopefully we'll have some better luck with this next time, but we'll take a look at it and double check everything before we try to run it again.